Hello, welcome to my kitchen. We are cooking the popular Aloo Gobi today. My style, lightly spiced and cooked low and slow. This sabzi appeals to everyone and can be cooked by anyone. You'll be able to enjoy it as a sabzi and as a filling for samosa or roll. Do subscribe for easy, tried and tested recipes. Chop the gobi or the cauliflower into small florets. I have here about 12 of them, and then I'll add them to some boiling water to wash them. Let it come to the boil again and then I'll drain it. Let's drain it. Two tablespoon vegetable oil. Half a teaspoon of Paanch Foron. This is a mixture of onion seed, fennel seed, cumin seed, fenugreek seed and mustard seed. If you can't get Paanch Foron, add in some jeera, cumin, half a teaspoon. Chopped green chilies according to your taste. Add in diced potatoes. So this is slightly more than the amount of cauliflower or gobi. You could add more gobi and less aloo. That's up to you. I'll just cook this till the potato pieces get a light color on them. So that took about 2 to 3 minutes. Let's add in the cauliflower and keep the heat high. Cook stirring for a minute and then arrange the cauliflower so that they touch the pan. This way they'll get some color onto them, and leave it for a minute. This is what I wanted, a bit of color onto the cauliflower. Now let's add in salt according to taste and chopped tomatoes. Give it a quick toss. Cover it and cook it on medium heat for 3 minutes. Let's take a look. So the tomatoes have wilted and the veggies are half done. Let's add in a handful of boiled peas. If you are adding fresh peas, add them before you cover. And I'll also add in about a teaspoon of grated ginger, about 1/4 teaspoon of haldi powder, turmeric, 1 teaspoon of coriander powder, dhania, 1 teaspoon of chaat masala powder. Mix well. Once the raw smell of the ginger goes away, cover, lower the heat and cook till the vegetables are done. Check after 2 minutes. Try the recipe. If you like it, leave your feedback in the comment section and share it with your friends. Almost done. Sprinkle a bit of water. I'll add in whole green chilies. You could slit them. Cover. Cook for another 2 minutes and check. That's cooked. Turn off the heat. Sprinkle some coriander leaves on top as much as you like. Give it a mix. Smells too good. To finish this off, I'll add in some bhuna jeera or roasted cumin powder. That really goes very well. And a bit more of the chopped coriander. Serve it hot with puri, paratha or toast. Enjoy!